welcome to This Thing's Got Problems. I'm Eric, and the thing that has problems today is that white Chevy Cruze out there. See, we got tires put on it, so now, you know, that means you're invested. You're keeping it for a while. Should probably detail the pig. Now, what we're going to focus on today is white car, brown spots. What are they? Where did they come from? Where did they go? Cotton Eye Joe, is that what I'm quoting? It's got the brown spots all over it, which is rail dust. Where does it come from? It comes from driving over rails, train tracks. Also comes from rusty other cars dripping their droppings onto the road after it rains, and the salt and everything that gets thrown around. It's on every car. You notice it the most on white, beiges, golds, silvers. It's like, why is my plastic bumper rusting? Well, it is technically rust, but it is not coming from the car. It is embedded into the car. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of that, and it's actually pretty easy. It's labor. It's not hard. It's just do it, and then, you know, move on, wax, and so on. So okay, let's go look at. Whew, it hasn't been washed in a while, so let's go look at it. So here's what I'm talking about. Get, you know, a little. It's like that right there. I mean, it is rust technically, but it's not from your car. So you gotta get rid of that. And if you're not sure, because you can't see, like if you got something like that, seems fine, but it's not. Get yourself a little baggie, and you can feel the roughness. So, or grab, you know, the cellophane off a friend's pack of cigarettes. That also works. Actually works better. So I'm going to rinse this thing down. I'm going to soap it, wash it as normal, because you don't want to grind anything into the paint that's not already stuck in the paint on its own. And then we are going to spend 38 minutes trying to get this plastic off of this, and then clay her down. I also have some of that iron remover stuff, and it's kind of a trendy, weird thing to use. It smells like liquid fart. Does it work? Kind of, maybe. I find it works good on wheels. Let's see what it does on, you know, actual paint, as opposed to just the old tried and true clay bar. Right. Now this is after scrubbing, and I kind of scrubbed a lot, but stuff like this, tree sap, that's rail dust right there. It is all over. So I guess before doing the whole car, for, you know, the video, you don't care about that, but I can show you how to solve this little spotty problem we got. So let's jump right to this, and we'll just do the hood. And then, you know, if you want to see the whole car done, I'll just time lapse the rest of it, and, you know, boom, done. There you go. You gotta work this stuff. Just keep it moving, and spray it down with some quick detailer if you got it. Just soap and water works fine too, you know. This is if you're just going to do a little spot and you don't want to wash down the whole thing. Or if you got some overspray. A little tip, if you do metal work in your garage around your cleaning supplies, keep this in a little container or a plastic bag or something, because it will collect all the bad things, and then you'll just immediately scrape the ever-loving crap out of your paint with whatever's floating in the air or flying out of your grinder or sander or whatever. So yeah, not good. Keep it out of the, I got to burn that all down. Everything I had out here, didn't even think about it. They went, and it's all trash now. All right, I think this has worked enough. Let's go show you. Let's get a little, still wet. Just get at it. Everything kind of disappears. It is, you know, it's labor. You're gonna be happy when it's done. That spot. I don't know what you can even see right now. That's after a wash right there. You can, that's what's all coming out, even after scrubbing it down with soap. So now do all the car, and then come back and hit it with soap again. There is the after. Nothing at all on that paint. Like you see now is chips and where I hit birds and stuff. There's absolutely no getting around this now. There is nothing on that paint, and by nothing I mean there is no wax, there is no, if you did that fake ceramic coat stuff or whatever, that's not on there. There is zero, none protection on that paint right now. It is just straight up paint. So at minimum, you're going to have to throw some wax down on her. I would just get a polisher from Amazon. They're like 40 something bucks, and just brrr, and that's all you need if you have no experience. It's the easiest, won't hurt your thing way of getting about it, other than wax on, wax off, Danielson type stuff. If you have to, there are different grades of this stuff. This is the finest. This is the everyday person can do this and not screw their paint up. Gray for the most part. Purple, she's rough. That's like a medium, I believe. And you will have to buff if you use that. I believe there's another grade. I'd stay away from it. You probably don't need it unless it's your car's been through hell and back, and in which case you probably got other problems. So I wouldn't worry about that. So this, if you care, I mean, that was it. That's how you get rid of rail dust. It's that easy. You can either stop now, or, I mean, I'm just going to time lapse the rest of this thing, and if you want to see the car finished when I'm done, then there you go. Yeah, all right, let's move on. those problem areas around the wheels as well as around the hatch area because of the low pressure a car makes when, you know, rolling down the street. It all just kind of floats there and embeds itself in the paint. So check the back, especially on a white car, especially on a hatch or a pickup truck tailgate. And around the wheels, going to be the worst areas. Big, giant pain in the ass. Okay, so that iron remover, it does make the clay bar process go a little faster. What I did notice is it will eat the clay bar. So you're on limited time and don't expect to use it again. But, I mean, when a car is this bad, just buy another clay bar, right? It's fine. It stinks, but, you know, they all do. And it's like, I've tried a few different brands. They all smell like liquid fart mixed with some kind of citrus. I don't like it, but it is what it is. I hate that saying, but it's true. It does make for a good wheel cleaner. Helps get all the, you know, deposits off your own rotors off the wheels here. So that's good. Other than that, the car is done. So if you noticed, as I was going, where am I going to set you up? I don't know. Here, let's take it all in. Pretty good, right? There you go. So as I was saying, I was squeegeeing as I was going because I'm fighting the sun right now, or at least racing it. And I don't want water spots because you got to wax this afterwards. So that's what I was doing. Just trying to keep it dry-ish. And, you know, that's about it. Prevent the water spots. They're the worst. You do all that work, and then it dries too fast because, you know, you're outside in the summer because you have some really, really old truck taking up your whole damn garage. Then you get water spots. And it ruins your day because you need to wash it again. And by then, you know, it's always too hot, too sunny, too everything you don't want it to be. That type of thing. New tires. New tire day is always fun. Let's get her rest of the way tried. The old absorber. I don't know how that company makes money. I've had this one for like 38 years. Dead. All right, guys, gonna have to shut it down as far as the video goes because, again, racing the sun. So I gotta hurry up and finish this thing because it's peeking over the trees right now. Thanks for liking and subscribing and all that good stuff. And yeah, iron remover, little, you know, little clay bar action makes everything so much better. So a couple hours of work makes it like brand new, other than the paint chips. So finish that up and then, you know, wait for the first bird to just all over it, because that's exactly what's going to happen. Okay, I'll see you later.